Hello there. So today I want to show you how you can use a Deriv Bot to trade accumulators, and you'll make profit this way, as you can see here. So this is a simple bot that you can use it. It is just on this website, and then you can use it for free. Now, if you don't have an account, I have a link in the description that gives you 5% off when you sign up using it. So you'll get 5% off on all trades that you make. And to start off, here we have the quick strategy. Let's say that you are on your traders hub, that is after logging in or creating an account. So on your traders hub, here is where you see the Deriv Bot. You can see here, and you can switch between the real account and a demo account. So after doing all that, just open and you should land on this traders hub dashboard. You should land on this Deriv Bot dashboard where you want to choose bot builder. Here just choose it, and then you can choose a quick strategy. So I will be showing you how you can use a bot that is just here to make trades like this one. So here is the bot, and then just choose quick strategy, come to accumulators, and then we have the martingale here. Choose on it, and then the initial stake, the stake that you want to be placing is here. I have set already to $1, and then growth rate I have chosen 5. Then we have profit, loss, and then we have the martingale size. So this is the factor that will be multiplied by the stake when you lose. So let's say that you lose $1, the next trade is multiplied, the $1 multiplied by 2 to place the next stake, which will be 2. And then after doing all that, just load the bot, and then after loading the bot, this is the bot. So what you need to do is just run it. So you will be running the bot, and as you see, this is the bot has already entered the market, and then just stop it after you get the profit. You see it has multiplied by 2, so that you recover the amount of money that you had lost earlier. And then if you are satisfied with the amount of profit, you just sell it right away. So if I'm satisfied with that, I just sell it right away, and then I get out of that market. So here you see it is multiplying. So what you need to be doing here, just be careful with this martingale, because it might cost you a lot of money if you're not careful here, and you may end up making a loss that is not good here. So it has already got out of the market because I have set a take profit of 1. As you can see here, this take profit I already set it earlier. So you need to be editing that if you see that it is not working on your side, and then that is how you can trade accumulators using Deriv Bot. So thanks for watching. Use the link so that you get 5% off when you are trading. So